Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets. We've got the USDA supply and demand report out about 1 hour from now, 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. The December crop report is not that big of a market mover many years. However, traders will be looking for higher exports in corn, higher exports in soybeans, and lower ending stocks in both of those markets. This supply and demand report in 1 hour should confirm continuing large wheat supplies in the global global world markets today. So look for this to report here in 1 hour time. The corn market, not a lot going on yesterday. Soybeans are down 22. Today we're higher. Soybeans are up 10. Corn is up a few cents. So I don't know that corn is going to do anything right here into the end of the year. A lot of grain analysts will tout the next cycle low in January for the corn market. Maybe the key for corn price discovery is the price of crude oil. 40% of our corn production goes to ethanol production, and the ethanol margins are very good here. And if crude oil can stay above 50, go to 60 and stay above there, that's going to make ethanol a little more enticing. And that's a big product of our corn production here. And exports on ethanol are big. And Canada, China, our two biggest customers. That makes sense. Buy our ethanol and clean up the smog in the air. But this is an industry that didn't exist 8 years ago, ethanol exports, and I like talking about that. So we will continue doing that. Soybean market. Okay, today we got from USDA 132 metric tons of soybean exports. So that's what we need on a daily basis. Yesterday, soybeans were down 22, so there was some liquidation in the air. Today, we're higher. We'll see how we do on this supply and demand report. It's just the time of the year now where there's not a lot of news flow going into Christmas. We've been trending higher. I think it can continue. We're above $10 in soybeans. Why not go to $11? Markets like even numbers. So the CME did raise margins on soybean oil. You know, we look at a lot of indicators. Volume, open interest are important. Certainly margins from the exchanges. When speculation gets a little too rapid, they up the margins a little bit. This is what the CME did on soybean oil. So our first chart today is corn. You'll see the daily chart on corn. It's up, it's down, it's down, it's up. Look for more of that. And then the soybean market got a daily chart. That's our second chart. You see it has been trending higher. We'll see if it can't continue to trend higher. Lastly, the wheat market, it's higher here. We're getting some short covering. There's a lot of wheat in the world. And the supply and demand report here in 1 hour time probably going to confirm ample global wheat stocks in the world today. Everybody have an excellent weekend.